Hello, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to talk a little about something I didn't even notice, I'd not seen anywhere, I'd not heard of, and it's called, let me just find my notes. It's by Stampin' Up and it's called the #Simple Stamping Challenge. And I think what they do is every month they have a theme. And what you do, they have a theme, they have supplies you have to use, and they have a bonus material or tool that you can also use. And the idea is to keep the stamping on cards very simple, so make cards really super simple so they've not got tons of layers, you don't need tons of products, and to get back to some nice simple just straightforward stamping onto the card. And it's funny because it's something I wanted to try and do a bit more of just having a white card with something stamped on it, and it's a project I was going to start sort of working on in the coming couple of weeks. And then I spotted this challenge and I thought, oh, I've not noticed it before, so I thought I'd take part. And all you have to do is, like I say, you just go to I think it's for demonstrators, I'm not sure if it's for customers as well, I think anyone can join in, but it's for January. It's the theme is Valentine's Day. The supplies you have to use are stamps, ink and paper, and the bonus material or tool is a punch, so you can use a punch if you want. But the whole idea is to keep it very, very simple. And then what you do is you share it everywhere and you hashtag it Simple Stampin', and Stampin' Up keep an eye out, search the hashtag, and they choose a few, I think there's quite a lot of people who each month who get a little something for their offerings. So what I've done is I've just made this really super simple card. It's a berry burst background and it's 6 by 5, so it's 6 by 10 folded. And then I've just got a layer of Whisper White, which is 4.5 by 5.5. And what I've done is I've used the dog punch here, so this dog punch, and I've punched out in each corner, I don't know if you can see, but in each corner that's actually a hole, so that's a punch in each corner. And then what I've done is I've used some berry burst and I've punched out a load of little hearts from here, and I've stuck them onto the Whisper White. But before I did that, I got powder pink ink, here it is. Got the powder pink ink, and I used the little heart stamp from Happy Tales, so I used this one, and I used the big heart from Woodwards, which is this one. And what I did was I went around and I stamped with powder pink the little heart all over the place, and then I went over the top of that and I stamped off twice from the pink powder pink using the big heart, and I stamped that on to give a sort of a softer image. You can only just see it, okay? And then what I did was I just stamped I'm So Glad You Were a Part of My Story, which I took from Part of My Story, and I stamped that up into the corner. And then all my little cuttings, little heart cuttings from the Berry Burst cardstock, I just glued them kind of randomly around the card, and then I don't know if you can see, oh you can see, and then I just added some Wink of Stella, and that's my card, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I thought I'd just tell you about that in case you don't know about the Simply Stamping Challenge, but now you do, and you can join in as well. So I'm going to be putting that on my Instagram and my Facebook with the hashtag Simply Stamping, and we'll see how we get on. And I'm going to have a look at everybody else's as well, because obviously there'll be more than me doing it. So it's nice to check out other people's for some inspiration. I'm pretty sure that people are probably being encouraged to use current product. So yeah, so that's why I've used current product. So yeah, go and check out hashtag Simply Stamping, and I guess you can add your own. So yeah, there you go. If anyone knows if it's just for demos or if it's for everybody, let me know, because it would be nice to know. Okay, thanks for that, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.